Sell your home fast in Milwaukee, Wisconsin with House4Cash Group. Do you own a home in the Milwaukee area and want to avoid the stress and hassle of listing with a realtor? Are you tired of keeping up with repairs and looking for a fast, easy way to sell your property? At House4Cash Group, we make selling your home simple. As Milwaukee's premier real estate solutions company, we're cash home buyers, not realtors, so we can close quickly, often in as little as 10 days. We buy houses in any condition, saving you time, money, and effort. How it works. Contact us, visit our website, or call us at 414-207-8119 to tell us about your home. Sam, the manager, and our amazing team is ready to assist you. Receive a cash offer. After reviewing your property details, we'll provide a fair cash offer based on your home specifics. Close on your schedule. Once you accept our offer, we'll arrange a property viewing and close on your timeline. Need to move quickly? We can close fast. Need more time? No problem. We'll work around your schedule. Why sell to House4Cash Group? No fees or commissions. Keep more money in your pocket. No repairs needed. We purchase properties as is, no matter their condition. Stress-free process. We take care of all the paperwork for a smooth and easy transaction. If you're ready to sell your house fast in the Milwaukee area, let House4Cash Group handle everything for you. Visit House4CashGroup.com or call 414-207-8119 today. We're excited to help you take the next step.